Another video with me. In this video we're going to go through keywords, right? Keywords are the fundamentally most important thing that you've got to work on when you are trying to sell on Amazon. If you create a listing in any form, you need to know that there's enough search volume going to it, but also that there's not enough competition, that there's not too much competition. That's exactly what I'm going to run through with you today. I'm going to run through why it's so important, and then I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can find keywords that have got low competition and high search volume. Let's dive into it. So my name's Hayden and I've been selling for around about coming up to 4 years now. We should do 70-ish thousand this month, hoping for 150,000-ish in December this year. So yeah, I'd like to say a lot of that, okay, half of that probably is from creating our own listings and getting our own traction from keywords doing this exact method, okay? The reason keywords are so important is because the only way you're going to get sales is if your products are in front of customers. When someone searches pet camera, for example, the example I've got up here, if your product does not show up as sponsored or organically in probably the first or the second page, it's very hard for you to get sales. So I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can get sales with sponsored keywords and organic keywords. We're going to be using Helium 10 for this. If you want to give it a go, don't do it without using my code below. You don't need to pay full price for it. You can get 20% off for 6 months using my link below in capitals Hayden 6M20. Capitals Hayden 6M20. Click the link below. It will show you what to do. You get 20% off for 6 months Helium 10. That's what we're going to be using. So here's the first way that we can find keywords. I'm going to tell you how to analyze these keywords to determine if you can use them or not. Okay, so let's dive into this. So the first way you can do it is by using the Chrome extension from Helium 10 that should be installed on your device. Okay, and first of all, by typing in whatever product you're interested in selling. For example, we've typed in pet camera here. Okay, we've typed in pet camera and it's come up with the search volume. So we've got 11,000 plus people searching for pet camera. Okay, but how do we analyze this exact keyword? How do we analyze this particular keyword? So the first thing you want to do is take pet camera here, and we can go to magnet over here. So what we've done is we've signed into Helium 10. We've got the tools on here. We've scrolled down to magnet. Now Helium 10 can be used for a lot of things, sourcing products, using scribbles where you do listing optimization. But one of the main things that it's vital for, that we use to create every single one of our products that are profitable, is using Cerebro and Magnet here. And these are your keyword research tools. So what you can go ahead and do with Magnet is typing certain keywords, and it's going to tell you the sort of keywords that you can be ranking for here. So I've typed in pet camera here. Let's click get keywords. Once this data loads, it's going to give us a good idea of what sort of keywords, what sort of search volume, what sort of keywords are actually ranking for this product. Okay, so we know there's a lot of search volume coming to this product, but can we rank for it in terms of the competition? And what other similar keywords are ranking for pet camera, okay, that are going to help us when we create our listing, that we can put into the back end of our listing. So it's just loaded up here. So what I'd have a little do, scroll down, you can see there's 5,975 filter keywords that have come up when we've typed in pet camera. Obviously that's way too many. So first of all, what I'm going to do is eliminate this process by typing in 500 of a minimum volume, and let's say 3,000, let's say 10,000, let's say 12,000 as a maximum. Okay, with the word count, this is how many words in the title. So the less words, generally the more search demand. So we're going to put 2 in there, and let's click get keywords and see how many that comes up with now. Run new search. Apparently we've looked at this before. I don't remember that. So now we've still got, oh, okay, so it's deleted them keywords. Let me type that in again. 2 there, search volume 500, maximum 12,000. That's why it said that. And then apply filters. There we go, my mistake. So we've got 570 filtered keywords here. Now, you can filter them down even more using Helium 10 from the search criteria that you want to put in there. But for me, that's okay. The next thing I'm going to do is check over here. Okay, I'm going to check all of these things. I'm going to do by search volume. I'm going to click on the search volume. So now what it's showing us, okay, what it's showing us is the keywords that have got the highest search volume here. Okay, now that doesn't necessarily mean we can rank for these guys, but it's going to show us the search volume here for these exact keywords. And then we're going to scroll down and just check what's relevant for our listing. So originally we started with pet camera, okay? But if we're creating a dog listing, so say we've got a dog camera, for example, it can be used for dogs and cats, then I've seen this keyword here, dog camera with speaker. Now, that's got search volume of 9,356, which is good. The suggested PPC spend is $143, which is okay. So what I would go ahead and do is search on that. There's 712 results. I would drop down here with X-ray and just see if this is something that we can rank with or if it's way too competitive. And it's sort of an elimination process now, guys. So this is the first strategy. I'm going to show you two more in a second. This is the first way to find keywords. So I get X-ray up, wait for it to load up here. What I do is filter results, hide sponsor keywords, apply filter. And as you can see, we've got all these things here. First of all, I check the sales, looks pretty good, okay. I check over to the review count. Now, it looks pretty competitive to me, but I can see this one over here has got 54 reviews. This has got 42, 690, 95, okay. So these are selling really well with low reviews. However, that's not the only checkpoint, guys. You want to check, is there a brand that's dominating this? Is there a brand that's dominating the space, okay. Check if the brands dominate the space. Check. Yeah, there's a few things we have to do. Check it. Check if it's... When was it created as well? So it's only got 54 reviews. Okay. Let's check the review count there. So we've got 95 reviews, this one. Okay. And it's doing really well with the sales. I can only see this brand listed there once. So let's check over here. It was created in 2023, okay? So this shows us two things. This shows us that if you've got the budget, now we don't know how much they've spent on PPC, okay? But if you've got the budget, then new listings can rank in this category, okay? Clearly. But that also shows me that the cost of this to rank is probably going to be quite high, okay? Because if you look at the total revenue there, the only way we're going to beat this person off the second spot is by selling more than them. And if you're paying 1/3 for this product, then that means that you're going to have to spend tens and tens of thousands in stock buying in order to knock them off the top spot. So although we could compete if we can manufacture this product and spend the money, is it something that you want to compete with, or should we keep looking for keywords that are less competitive? Okay, I hope that makes sense. And that's what you can use Magnet for. So we've got the dog camera there. We can scroll down. Cat camera there. So we can do the same process here, search volume, and do an elimination process. How much is it going to cost us in PPC to spend? How many competitors are on that listing, etc., etc. And we can go through and you can start building up a load of keywords that you think you can rank for, but you've got to make sure that you can afford to rank this, guys, because there's one thing being able to, and there's another thing being able to afford to. So it depends what sort of budget you've got and how much experience you've got. So that's the first way. We look on Amazon, and then we do a reverse search kind of thing using Magnet, okay? The second way that you can do it is by just looking at Cerebro like we've got here. And let's just say we've got this random ASIN, for example. We're in the USA for some reason as well. I sell in the USA and the UK, so it's automatically put me there. That's fine. What you can do is type in the exact ASIN for a product that you want to say it's one of your competitors, for example. This is like this is a product that you want to sell something similar. Okay, you're going to emulate this product. You can type it in here, and you can look for all the products that are coming up with search volume of minimum. Okay, all the keywords that we found for this product that have a minimum search volume of 500, a maximum of 10, for example. The organic rank, okay, this is how you are showing on the Amazon. So if we put maximum 60, that means that it's probably going to be within the first 2 pages somewhere that these keywords are going to be coming up. So we want to find all the keywords, all the keywords that we're ranking for within the first 2 pages there. So that's good. And I think I will leave it as that for now. let's apply a filter and see how many that comes up with. So we've got 662 filter keywords. So this is 662 filters keywords, okay? The next thing I really love about using Cerebro here is that it shows us the organic rank there. So if you remember on here, we typed in the organic rank up to 60. So this is actually organic rank. So all of these keywords it's showing us here, okay? It means that this product is showing organically, without sponsor, organically, for all of these keywords here. Dog toys, no stuffing, stuffed dog toy, water bottle, dog toy. So what you want to do is start building up your listing using these keywords. Dog toys, no stuffing, stuffed dog toy, water bottle, dog toy. Okay? Get these keywords. This is gold mine area, guys, this stuff. Because all of these keywords could rank really well within your listing. So you want to be putting them in your title, your PPC, your description, your bullet points and everything. All of these keywords, once you've done your due diligence, so once again, we click into it, check how many results we've got, open up X-Ray, check that it's not too competitive, check there's not one brand that's dominating the space, check that we've got the funds to actually knock some of the top sellers off the top spots. Can you afford to rank? Can you afford the spend on the products? All of this stuff's really, really important, guys. Otherwise, you're trying to rank for keywords that you can't actually rank for. So it's really, really important to do that. So that's another way that I do it, okay? And the third way is I simply look on Amazon. I look on Amazon here, and I use the Cerebro, but I do it in the back end, guys. So I go on the X-Ray here. It's all looking pretty good to me. I don't see any brands dominating. Then we've got the sales here as well. Really good sales. So what I would do is look for number 1 here and run Cerebro. And then similar to what we just did, I now know that the number 1 search volume in pet camera that I want to rank for is this one. And then I can see organic ranks for all of this, okay? So if you type in pet camera there, organically number 1 is this one here, and it's this one here. It's the same product, as you can see. I'm not sure why it wasn't showing up earlier on the toys, guys. Yeah, but yeah, that's it there. So as you can see, going in the back end here, you can start putting in your filtered results there, and you can start finding organically what products are ranking organically here, okay? This product that you want to emulate is ranking organically for all of these. So this is gold mine here, guys. And then you need to find out if you can rank for them as well and start putting them into your title and results. I hope that video's helped. That's how I find my keywords for my products. Make sure you stay tuned to the channel, subscribe, like, and check out Helium 10 with 20% off if you want to do this stuff yourself. I will see you in the next video.